This right here is the Solar FF Lite, the 2024 model. You gotta ignore the styrofoam shit on the ground. It's from another scooter, my little brother's scooter right here, little baby scooter. But yeah, this is a Solar FF Lite, the 2024 model. This thing, in comparison to a regular, smaller scooter, this is like one of the smaller Go Track scooters right here. Uh, Kind of see the size comparison, and then this is the Solar next to the VSET 9 Apex, which is like the 9 Plus, the VSET 9 Plus. I literally just got this from Rev Rides a couple of days ago, and literally over 24 hours after riding it, it literally gave out on me. I have another video of me riding this, a couple of them if you guys want to go check that one out. So I went and drove 2 hours yesterday to go grab this from somebody. I didn't get it from a company online, but Solar is a good company. I actually like their scooters a lot. I did a lot of information and research yesterday, and so I came across this and I went and got it with 13 miles on it. The first thing with this thing, man, it got keys, so you can lock the scooter. I think when you click the lock button and you try to move it, it'll make an alarm sound and the back wheel locks up. But when I go to unlock the scooter, like, you can also start it with the remote, man. It's fucking remote start. And the turn signals are still on, that's why they're flashing. But since they're flashing, I'll go ahead and show them to you. It's the right turn signal right here. Left turn signal right here. These lights are bright as shit, man. Look at these lights. And there's also a trigger right here, like you can turn them off and on. I like that a lot. And then also it has like low beam, high beam lights, and at nighttime, man, they are amazing. Like, let me turn this little light off. This right here. This scooter is crazy lights on it, man, for real. And also it has the lights on the side. At nighttime, this looks amazing. Kind of get a glimpse of it. Tail light right here. This be coming off a little bit. This is the handlebar, and then this is the throttle right here. It's a twist throttle. I'm used to the thumb throttles, but like I said, this thing got the keys and also has NFC on it, so you can open it with a password, like unlock it with a password. But let me see if I can unlock it, because I'm trying to click the screen. It's not doing nothing. So okay, now it's saying enter password, and I haven't completely got the gist of this yet. So the NFC key, see if I can. So it is working right now, and unlocked it. The lights just came on again. This right here changes your mode. So you got Sport, Eco Pro, and you have Comfort mode. And also you can go Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 3. And then FB, this is front and back motor. So you can have the back motor turned on, which is on right now. Or you can have the front one on. Or you can have both, which is, both is demon time. I'm going to post a video. Well, actually, I'll probably connect it with this video. Some rides of this. Me going, I think it was a little 4-mile ride in 12 minutes. A lot of traffic. The stem, it's pretty solid. The folding mechanism is actually this right here. You literally twist this all the way left, and then this stem just comes straight down. And you can fold it, but it doesn't latch when you fold it. So you just got to be careful with that. Looking at this is a steering damper. The Solar company, it comes with steering dampers, which is really, really nice. It's hydraulic steering damper you can adjust. I'm sorry about my VSET, man. I literally had 30 miles on that thing, and it literally just shit on me. It's literally unheard of. But enough with that. Here's some ride from this beautiful thing right here, man. All right, so let's get it. Gear 3, sport mode. It's my review of this motherfucker, man. Let's start it off with just the ride first. Let's go. Bro, I'm trying to go, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm trying to go, man. I ain't trying to wait at this light, bro. Cruising on the hill. So yeah, this thing got two 1600 watt motors, one in the front, one in the back. One in the front, one in the back. You could change the mode between either the front motor or the rear motor, or you can have both of them on, which I got both on right now, obviously. Going like 35, floating up this hill and shit, effortlessly. I'm at like 75% battery right now. I rode it earlier for probably 14, 15 miles probably. It was at 2-3 traffic. Yeah. Yeah. Fucking now I'm just on a scooter. I'm driving the Overlook, bro. I'm Saudi fucking what's it called? Closed fucking yeah, I can't even think, bro. Fuck. Livingston. That shit closed as fuck. That shit closed as fuck. Bro, I'm literally on Smithville right now. Is it? Bro, I'm in traffic, nigga. I'm in a left turn lane on Smithville right now, nigga. No cap. Nah, I'm not. I'm connected with my glasses, bro. Yeah, I'm connected with my glasses. Everybody look at me like, what the fuck? I swear to God. I swear to God. I just took off on this car at the light too, nigga. Oh yeah, I'm zooming, nigga. I'm full-fledged in traffic right now, bro, on Smithville, nigga. I swear to God, these cars, bro, these cars looking at me like, what the fuck? I swear to God. I swear to God. Yeah, that shit was for real. I'm fucking slowing, but yeah, fucking it's caught me in a little bit. All right, for sure. All right, later. Hey, you wanna meet me at Overlook? I don't say I'm riding my scooter there. I'm about to be there right now. Then here, just call me when you get to fucking, when you about to pull up. I mean, it's literally like off of Airway. All right, for sure. All right, later. I was on the phone, y'all, my bad, but in this horn, hold on. I don't even want to squeeze it yet. I'm gonna do it when I get up here a little bit. Hold on, ready for this fucking loud ass horn? That shit loud as a motherfucker, bro. I swear to God, that shit loud as fuck. This way, let's go this way. This motherfucker go like 40, 45. So this nigga, I'm pulling up, hold on. And it's stable too, like when I'm just cruising, you know what I'm saying?